Hey everybody, it's Dan Simon from Dan Simon's YouTube channel, Dan Simon. This is the Strasburg River Walk area. If you go that way, there's a trail. You can walk along by the river. Once again, I'm in the snow. It's like the third snow river video. Just trying to kill some time, guys. And there's a boat ramp right there. If you see it. It's actually 30-something degrees out here today. On what is today? Wednesday? It's Wednesday the 25th, I think. And here's the river. Down that way is the fishing spot. It's probably about a fishing location video I did. It's got to be about 5-6 miles, probably down that way down the river. Down that way would be Woodstock, Edinburgh, other places. The prime plane in the water. Yeah. So yeah, this is called the Strasburg River Walk area in Strasburg, Virginia. And like I said, up that way, that's where we go. And that's it. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you about. Then that way you go in the front row. This is another part of the North Fork of the Shenandoah River. See y'all later.